Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Evernote. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser. And then in the address bar, just type in evernote.com and press enter. This will take you into the official website for Evernote, so just click on the login button at the top right corner and type in your email address as well as your password to sign in to your account. Now, once you are logged into your account, you will be taken to the Evernote dashboard. Now, from the dashboard, in order to change your email address, just go ahead and hover over to your account section at the top left corner. Now click on the drop-down menu and then click on Settings. Now from the settings page, just click on Login and Security, and now you will find the link to go to your profile. Just click on it and this will take you to your profile settings. Now from your profile settings, you can find your email address section, and underneath your email address is the Change Email button. So just go ahead and click on it, and now you will need to type in your password to set up your new email address. So just go ahead and type in your password and then type in your desired new email address underneath it. Now verify your identity by clicking on I'm not a robot and then click on Change Email. Now you will need to check the inbox of your new email address, so click on the OK button and check the inbox of your newly created email address. You will now find a button which says Verify Email Address. Just click on this, and once you click on this link, you will be shown a notification which tells you that your email address has successfully changed to the new email address. Now if you go back to your home page and refresh, you will see that your email address has also been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Evernote. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.